Hello. When you hear robot, you might picture a sci-fi villain or a cute bleeping dustbin on wheels. Maybe you imagine something from a movie, with flashing lights and a quirky personality, rolling around your living room or plotting world domination. But real autonomous robots are far more practical and grounded in reality. An autonomous robot is a machine that understands its surroundings, makes decisions, and performs tasks without constant human input. They're not just following a script. They're reacting to the world around them. Unlike remote-controlled toys, these robots have a specialized brain that's great at specific jobs. This brain is actually a combination of software and sensors, allowing the robot to process information and act on its own. For example, a car wash follows rigid instructions, but an autonomous robot uses cameras, lasers and sensors to map its world and adapt to obstacles. It can spot a box in its path and decide to go around it rather than just stopping or getting stuck. It's the difference between a train on a track and a taxi driver who knows shortcuts. The train can only go where the rails lead, but the taxi can navigate traffic, take detours, and make decisions on the fly. These machines are designed for a purpose, lifting heavy things, sorting parcels, or welding with incredible precision. Each robot is built to excel at its task, often outperforming humans in speed, accuracy, and endurance. They're specialists, working efficiently and tirelessly, making life easier for people and businesses by taking on repetitive or dangerous jobs. In short, an autonomous robot is a clever machine that can think for itself within set rules, seeing the world, understanding its task, and getting on with it. It's like having a reliable coworker who never needs a break. That's why they're revolutionizing factories and warehouses everywhere, transforming the way we work and shaping the future of industry. Let's pop over to the UK, where the classic British factory is getting a high-tech upgrade. Across the country, old industrial sheds are being transformed into cutting-edge hubs of innovation, blending tradition with the latest technology. Autonomous robots are now essential for staying competitive, making things faster and better. These machines work tirelessly, handling repetitive tasks with incredible speed and accuracy, and freeing up human workers for more creative and skilled roles. In the car industry, places like Nissan's Sunderland plant use robotic arms for complex tasks, like fitting windscreens with precision. These robots can work around the clock, ensuring every car meets strict quality standards and helping the UK remain a leader in automotive manufacturing. Collaborative robots, or cobots, work safely alongside humans, holding parts steady or assisting with delicate checks. They're designed to be flexible and easy to program, adapting quickly to new tasks, and supporting workers rather than replacing them. It's not just big car plants. Smaller manufacturers and food producers like Ocado use swarms of robots to fetch and deliver items at lightning speed. These robotic fleets help businesses of all sizes keep up with demand and stay efficient. This automation allows companies to boost output without massive factories. Even in compact spaces, advanced robotics can multiply productivity and reduce costs, making high-tech manufacturing accessible to more businesses. The ultimate goal: lights-out manufacturing, factories that can run themselves overnight. Imagine production lines humming away in the dark, with no need for human supervision, maximizing efficiency around the clock. While we're not quite there yet, autonomous robots are making British manufacturing more precise, productive, and flexible. Every year, new advances bring us closer to fully automated smart factories. They can switch tasks with a software update, a huge advantage. This adaptability means factories can respond quickly to new products or changes in demand, keeping British industry agile. The British shed is becoming a very clever shed indeed, blending heritage with innovation in ways never seen before. And it's changing the face of UK industry, setting the stage for a new era of smart, efficient, and resilient manufacturing. Now, let's head to the US, where everything is bigger, including the logistics challenges. American companies use autonomous robots to move goods across vast distances at incredible speed. Amazon's fulfillment centers feature fleets of orange robots that ferry entire shelves to human workers, revolutionizing e-commerce efficiency. Logistics giants like FedEx and DHL use autonomous mobile robots to sort and route packages, dodging forklifts and people with ease. Even long-haul trucking is getting an upgrade, with companies like Too Simple and Waymo Via testing self-driving lorries for cross-country routes. The vision: a logistics network that never sleeps, moving goods coast to coast faster and cheaper. Robots are transforming how America moves its stuff. It's a bold vision for a very big country, and it's happening right now. Why are companies investing so much in robots? The answer comes down to 4 big reasons: speed, cost, safety, and data. In today's competitive world, businesses need every advantage they can get, and robots are delivering on all fronts. Robots work around the clock, 24/7, without needing breaks, sleep, or even a coffee. This non-stop operation boosts output in factories and speeds up order fulfillment in warehouses, helping companies meet growing demand and tight deadlines. While robots can be expensive to purchase and install, they save money in the long run by reducing labor costs, minimizing costly errors, and cutting down on waste. Over time, these savings add up, making automation a smart investment. Robots don't have off days. They weld, pick, and pack with incredible precision, ensuring products are made right the first time. This accuracy cuts down on waste, reduces returns, and keeps customers happy. Safety is another huge benefit. Robots handle heavy lifting, repetitive motions, and hazardous tasks, making workplaces much safer for humans and reducing the risk of accidents. They can work in dangerous environments like chemical plants or high-risk factory zones, where humans would be at risk, reducing injuries and physical strain for workers. Every robot action is recorded, generating a constant stream of data that helps companies monitor performance and optimize operations in real time. This data reveals bottlenecks and inefficiencies, allowing for constant improvement and smarter decision-making across the entire production process. Robots aren't just working harder, they're helping companies work smarter, collaborating with humans and adapting to new challenges as technology evolves. The result? Faster production, lower costs, safer jobs, and a more efficient workplace that can keep up with the demands of the modern world. That's why robots are such a game changer for industries everywhere, transforming how we work and what's possible. And their impact is only growing as more companies turn to robotics to stay ahead of the curve. Of course, bringing robots into the workplace isn't easy. The biggest hurdle is cost. Sophisticated robots and their systems are expensive, especially for smaller businesses. Integration is complex. You can't just plug in a robot and expect instant results. It takes engineers, programmers, and technicians to install, program, and maintain these machines. Factory layouts and workflows often need a complete rethink. Robots can break down, and fixing them requires specialized skills. Companies need expert maintenance teams ready to tackle both hardware and software issues. There's also resistance to change. Workers may worry about job security or adapting to new tech. Overcoming these challenges requires investment, training, and clear communication. But solving them is crucial for a smooth transition to a robotic workforce. The big question: are robots taking our jobs? Some repetitive, physically demanding roles are being automated, and that's a real concern. But history shows technology also creates new jobs: robot technicians, automation engineers, data scientists. The challenge is a shift in job types, not just job loss. This creates a skills gap, so retraining and education are vital. Companies and governments must invest in programs to help workers adapt, apprenticeships, courses, on-the-job training. The goal is to augment human abilities, not just replace them. Robots handle the dull and dangerous tasks, freeing people for creative, complex work. The future is a partnership, humans as strategists, robots as tireless workers. Change is coming, but it can be positive if we prepare. The UK and US both use robots for efficiency, but their approaches differ. In the US, the focus is on logistics, moving massive volumes of goods across huge distances. Companies like Amazon and FedEx lead the way with warehouse automation and autonomous trucking. It's about scale, big spaces, big numbers, big robots. The UK, meanwhile, emphasizes high-value, precision manufacturing, robots assembling cars, aircraft, and pharmaceuticals. The UK's approach is about smart factories and flexibility, not just volume. US automation is driven by tech giants. The UK relies on collaboration between industry, government, and academia. Both countries are automating, but with different strengths and strategies. It's a tale of two robotic revolutions. What's next for autonomous robots? Even more intelligence and adaptability. Future robots will learn on the job, improving their performance and adjusting techniques by observing humans. Expect more mobile, dexterous robots, legged machines that can handle stairs and clutter, and grippers that can pick up anything from boxes to fruit. Digital twins, virtual replicas of factories, will let engineers test and train robots before real-world deployment, speeding up automation. The ultimate vision, a fully connected supply chain, where robots handle everything from warehouse picking to doorstep delivery. Autonomous systems will communicate seamlessly, managing production and logistics from start to finish. We're not there yet, but the building blocks are being laid in today's factories and warehouses. The pace of change is accelerating. The future of automation is smarter, faster, and more connected, and it's just getting started. Let's recap. Autonomous robots are transforming how we make and move things. In the UK, they're boosting precision and flexibility in manufacturing. In the US, they're revolutionizing logistics. The benefits are clear: faster production, lower costs, fewer errors, and safer workplaces. But challenges remain: cost, complexity, and the need for new skills. The future isn't about robots replacing us, but about working alongside them. As robots get smarter and more integrated, they'll reshape our economies in ways we're only beginning to imagine. It's an exciting journey, and yes, maybe now it's time for that cup of tea.